1, 2, check. This is the Mirfak Audio TU1 vocal test. Hey guys, this is Luigi Versoza, and today's video we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing a USB condenser microphone from Mirfak Audio. This is the Mirfak Audio TU1 condenser microphone. So before we start the unboxing and review, if you're new to the channel and you like product reviews like this, tips and tutorials, and also cinematic videos, then you can consider subscribing to my channel by clicking on that subscribe button and also hitting the bell icon so you get updated for the latest videos that I'm gonna be uploading. So with that said, let's get started. Hey guys, today we're gonna be unboxing the Mirfak Audio USB condenser microphone, and this is the TU1 model, and this is the Pro kit. So it has an included boom arm. It also has an included pop filter within it. So let's see what's inside this huge box, or what's inside the Pro kit. The box is quite big, so I need to open this carefully. The box is also nice, and it looks like made of a high quality carton. Let's set that aside. Now here is the box itself. So we have two seals in here. We have to remove that. I don't have a blade yet, so I'm just using my scissors. I'll use that right now. So let's see what's inside. So upon opening the box, is the styrofoam cover. And then we have here the Mirfak Audio TU1 pop filter. So it's quite plain. Looks like the pop filters that you can buy from Shopee or Lazada or Amazon. And then here's the USB cable. It's an old USB type. I'm not sure what type is this. Is it the type B? And then the type A connection. And here's the Mirfak TU1 user manual. Set that aside too. Then we have another styrofoam cover, and here's the microphone. So in the middle we have the boom arm that we use to attach to a table, and it's covered with plastic too. It's made out of metal or aluminum. Not really sure what type of metal it is made, but it's made of metal. And this is the boom arm stand, or the one that you clamp on the table, on the side of the table. And then we also have a pop filter, or the one that you put on top of the microphone for wind protection. We also have here a shock mount. So this is a plastic made shock mount. Not really that high quality, but I think it does the job, since it also have this rubbers on it. So it would be, at least it would prevent the shock or the impact when you're hitting the tables hard. And set that aside. Let's see what's this. Okay, and we also have this microphone holder, where you mount the microphone in here. Then it also comes with a table stand. You can use this directly to the boom arm, or you can also remove this. You can attach it here. Pretty convenient. If you wanted to just put it on the table, then you can do that. And finally, of course, we have the microphone itself. This is the Mirfak Audio TU1. So that's it for our unboxing. Let's hear how the Mirfak TU1 sounds like in real world. Anyway, for those who doesn't know Mirfak Audio is a partner company or a sister company of Goodzen Moza, which are the creators of great gimbals such as the Moza Air 2S and the Moza Aircross 3. So actually, this is not a new microphone. They already have the latest microphone, which is the Mirfak Audio TU10 or the TU10. So for me, I think this is the budget USB condenser microphone that they are offering. So we're gonna be doing a series of tests so we would know the sound quality of the Mirfak Audio TU1. So if you're a streamer, a podcaster, or you're into home recording, then you would know what the Mirfak Audio TU1 sounds like if you purchase it. So before we go to the test, we're gonna be discussing the specifications of the Mirfak Audio TU1. So what I actually got is the Mirfak Audio TU1 Pro Kit, which includes a boom arm, a pop filter, and a shock mount. So the build of the Mirfak Audio TU1 is an all-metal body, or everything is made out of metal, including the grills, the body, the knobs, including the headset port. It's all metal. The only one that is not metal is the mute button or the dedicated mute button. Anyway, the price of the Mirfak TU1 is considered on the budget range of USB condenser microphone. Most of the branded condenser microphone ranges from 5,000 pesos to 10,000 pesos, but this one only costs 1,290 pesos. So if you're located in the Philippines, don't worry because I'll be adding the links on the description on where to buy the Mirfak TU1. So let's proceed with the test. So the Mirfak Audio TU1 is said to have a cardioid polar pattern. So right now I am speaking in front of the Mirfak Audio TU1, and we're gonna be trying to spin around the microphone so you would hear how my voice change or how my voice sounds like whenever I spin around the microphone. So I am back in the middle of the microphone. So next, I'm gonna try to face the microphone downward so you would know how my voice changes whenever I change the angle of the microphone. So let's just unlock it. And right now, I am speaking on top of the Mirfak Audio TU1. And as I move the microphone, you will hear the changes of how my voice sounds like. And now we are back talking in front of the microphone. So next, we're going to be testing out the automatic noise reduction technology of the Mirfak Audio TU1. So right now, the microphone is set to 50% volume and my conditioner is turned on, and there's quite a few ambient noises that you can hear in the background. I will be quiet for a while so you would hear how the automatic noise reduction works with this microphone.
How was I to know the right from wrong? Words are hardly spoken, so where did I go wrong? Tell me honestly that you're still loving me, looking into my eyes honestly.
Alright, it's time to conclude about the performance of the Mirfak Audio TU1. So based on the test that we did, this microphone really exceeded my expectations. Because if you purchase this microphone, you are really saving yourself from spending a lot on just a single microphone. So for me, this is an honest opinion. The Mirfak TU1 really sounds great. Whether you're a game streamer or a podcaster, or you just want a microphone that you can use for meetings, a clear microphone that you can use on Skype calls or anything. In addition to the good performance and the good sound quality of this microphone is the automatic noise reduction technology, which has a dedicated button. Maybe other microphone has a mute button, but this guy this has a switch for the noise reduction. So there are a lot of microphone that is saying that they have an automatic noise reduction, but this is the only microphone that I can say that I can hear the difference with the noise reduction and without the noise reduction. So that's a really great addition on a microphone that only costs below $30 or only 1,290 pesos. And as you can hear on the singing test that I have did earlier, it also sounds really nice. So I didn't do any post-processing on that recording. That's only raw audio with the echo knob turned to 40% and the volume knob turned to 50%. So that's what you're getting if you're gonna be using the Mirfak Audio TU1, not just for meeting use or podcasting use, but you can also use this for home recording. I would definitely suggest this microphone. It's a really great microphone on a really great budget range. So guys, I also wanted to know, what are your thoughts about the sound quality of the Mirfak TU1? Let me know on the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking that subscribe button and also hitting the notification bell icon so you get updated for future videos like this. Again, my name is Luigi Versoza, and thank you so much for watching this product review. I'm looking forward to see you on the next video.